Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy Saturday. We are on our way to CrossFit. We are doing the Open this morning, and by we I mean me. Josh is not. He's training for a race at the end of the month, so he's been running a lot and not doing as much CrossFit. So today is 24.1. So the way it works is every Thursday CrossFit releases the workout, and you essentially have till Monday, right? Is it till Monday to complete it? Till the following Monday to complete the workout. So you can actually do it as many times as you want. There are a couple people at our gym who will do it like 2 or 3 times to get the best time, which is crazy. And so like a lot of the gyms, they'll do it on Friday night where they'll have like a big party and everybody does the workout, and it's a lot of fun. And because our owners have 2 gyms, they do one event on Friday night and one event Saturday morning. So we are going to the Saturday morning event. We're not expecting a huge turnout this morning, but I think it's still gonna be great. So the workout is 21-15-9, which is common, a standard like format, but we're doing 21 dumbbell snatches on one arm, then 21 on the other arm, and then 21 burpees, and then 15 of that whole sequence, and then 9.
I think there's a burpee in between each arm.
Oh, 21, yeah.
21,
yeah. Yes. So it ends up being 90 and 90. 90 on each arm and 90 burpees. Yes, thank you. Then the way it works too, if you're unfamiliar, there's RX, they're scaled, and then what is it called? Beginner foundations? Is that what it's called?
Something. I don't know.
There's like a more beginner level, which I think is called foundation. So it's really cool. They make it scalable to whatever level you're at. So I'm gonna do RX. I always start with RX and try and do it for as many of the workouts as I can. There are certain movements that I just can't do, so that like automatically gets me out of that category, but for today I can. It's just gonna be heavy. So the dumbbell is 35 for women, 50 for men. I think the scaled is 20 for women. That's what I've been seeing a lot of people do. I'm not 100% certain, but anyway, that is what's going on this morning. I'll probably vlog the next few weeks to document the Open. It's 3 weeks. So I'll probably vlog the next few weekends so we can kind of see how it goes. It's always fun. It's fun to do some kind of form of competition. So we are almost there. I'm excited, I'm nervous, and I know that this is gonna hurt. Alright, workout is done. My arm is tired, so it's hard to hold the camera. But, you okay? Yeah. It was a good workout. I felt very sluggish on the burpees. The snatches were actually like pretty easy. I was thinking the 35-pound dumbbell was gonna be really heavy, and like it was heavy, don't get me wrong, but that was not the hard part. I think that the snatches get your heart rate up, and so that made the burpees harder, but the snatch itself wasn't difficult. What did you think watching everyone? Josh was our like coach slash cheerleader.
I think everybody moved through the dumbbells pretty well. The
snatches were the easy part.
Just people struggle to get over that dumbbell for the burpee, but you don't have to stand all the way up. So
I know, but you know what? Because you told me you don't have to come all the way up to when between, but like I need to just catch my breath.
Yeah.
If I stayed hunched over, I couldn't breathe. So like I was standing to just catch my breath between reps.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, no, everyone did a good job.
What'd you think? I should have gone faster, huh?
Maybe, but you did fine. I would have done it if I wasn't
if you weren't what?
Sicky.
Come on, there's a car coming. Let's go. Hello, it is a little while later. James and I just finished at the eye doctor. When I took James to his pediatrician a few months ago, or maybe last month, he didn't do super well on his eye exam, and the pediatrician recommended that we just go to an optometrist just to see if he needed glasses. So good news, no glasses yet, but the doctor wants to see him every year, so this is going to be an annual thing that we do for him now, which is fine. But that was good. He did really, really well. What did you think of the eye doctor? Do you want to tell us? He's so tired. What did you think of the eye doctor?
It was kind of boring.
Oh, okay, cool. So, anyway.
Why do you say cool when it's gone?
It's okay. All right, so James is really tired. I think he's gonna take a nap, but on our way home, Josh wanted us to get Wingstop. I've actually never had Wingstop. We were just trying to decide what to get for lunch, kind of a late lunch, honestly, but he wanted Wingstop, so we picked that up. We've got some fries, some wings, and we're gonna go home and eat and hopefully relax after the morning that we've had. After the workout, we went and ran a couple errands, got some coffee, went to the dry cleaners. James had swim lessons, and then I was able to drop Josh off at home because he has trial. He starts trial next week, so he wanted to prep for that. He's also not feeling well, and that was good because I got to throw in the sheets and stuff. I usually wash our sheets either on Saturday or Sunday, put a hair mask in, so we're doing all the things, but I'm kind of hoping to go home and just chill. You know, maybe get like some laundry done and stuff, but like nothing too crazy. And then I'm going to lunch with my friend tomorrow, so I'm really excited, but I want to kind of like relax tonight. So let's go home, let's eat, and let's hope that somebody falls asleep and takes a little nap.
I cannot.
You cannot? My camera does not want to focus. It like can't tell where my face is. Hello? All right, there we go. My camera was not focusing. So it is, sorry, I'm just like walking around putting stuff in the laundry room. It is, oh, I gotta switch the laundry. I'm washing the towels. Like 7:30, and we ended up eating Wingstop, which was really good, but it was salty, so I'm like chugging water now. And we watched a few episodes of Gossip Girl, and then James slept for like 2 hours, and I woke him up, and then James and Josh were hanging out downstairs while I was getting some stuff done up here, like laundry, and I gotta go switch those towels. And okay, so this is Josh's dresser, and I think I mentioned this before, but I reorganized my dresser. Do you guys want to see? Actually, I'm gonna show you because I'm proud of what I did. And also I got rid of a ton of stuff, and I reorganized because I really wear like my Lululemon a lot, all the time. Wow, that's bright. Sorry. Oh my gosh. My camera is just not being great. Okay, let's go through quick. I'm just gonna show you. This is like my, well, you can see this is like sports bras. I'm sorry, like a cloud bras, which I wear as like my everyday bra a lot of the time. And then I've got like workout socks. And then these are my Athleta bras, which I really love. They're the Conscious Crop bras. And then I think there's one other one in here. And then in here are like my regular bras and bralettes and like nippies, and then a couple of Skims socks. And then this is just like my underwear drawer. And then this is now my Lululemon shorts. So we have Aligns, like 6-inch Aligns. And then this is like 4-inch Aligns with pockets. And then I forget what these are called, like the looser Align shorts. And then these are all Wunder Train shorts. So Wunder Train, actually there's one base pace short in here that's hard to see, but these are all Wunder Train 6-inch, and then these are Wunder Train 4-inch, because I just wanted to put all these in one drawer, like if I'm grabbing biker shorts. So this way it's just easier to decide like, okay, I want to wear shorts today or I want to wear leggings. So I ended up moving my leggings in here. They were in the guest bed that we already moved to my in-laws, so I had to clear that out. So I also got rid of a lot because I did have quite a few more. So these are my Lululemon leggings that I have kept. So the navy ones I wore today are not here, but these are my Aligns, Align 25 inch. These are also Align 25 inch, but these are like the shine version. And then this one is like the pockets. I think this one is super high rise. And then this one's double lined. This is the only pair of double lined Aligns that I have. And then these are base paces. And then these are like miscellaneous black ones. So I think I've got like an Invigorate, another base pace, and I'm not sure, but anyway, miscellaneous black ones. And then these are all my Wunder trains. So again, Wunder train 25 inch that I decided to keep. Then this is the last of my my Lululemon stuff. So these are non-biker shorts that are like workout shorts. So speed ups, track that, high rise. That's basically it, actually. I think there's like the fast and free or whatever they changed the name to. Then I've got my bras. So I have my Wunder Train bras, my Align bras, and then energy bras, which I cleaned out a lot of those. I need to buy some more. And then these are just some shorts. So I've got my Inner Glow shorts, my Soft Stream shorts, and then these, oh my gosh, what were these called? I forget. They got rid of these, but I still like them. And then lastly, this is like a miscellaneous drawer. So I actually have a couple more Lululemon bras in here. These are Aloe, Fabletics, some Skims, like boxers, random socks. These are new. I love these underwear, and I was able to get them. They go out of stock a lot. They're like what do you call it? Camel-Toe proof, but they're good like activewear underwear. I can link them. I get them on Revolve, and they're not always in stock. So when they are, I got some new ones that, anyway, I have some like older shorts here. And then these are like Vitality, Athleta, Fabletics. These are shorts, and then these are leggings. So they're just like miscellaneous ones. I've got the period underwear and then my compression socks. And then these are just miscellaneous like loose shorts. So that's my dresser that I reorganized. When did I do that? Hold on. When did I do that? Last week? Yeah. So anyway, now we're doing Josh's. And the way that I did it was I took everything out. I read, or I listened to the Marie Kondo book, The Magic, what is it called? Life-changing magic of tidying up. Anyway, all right, it's crazy. But I took out all of his stuff. Okay, so this is where our guest bed was, so now we have a lot of room. It actually looks like a lot on camera, but in person, I told Josh, I'm like, this is not a lot, like this is fine. So we're gonna go through and organize this and decide if he's taking anything out. Do you wanna come in here? He's gotten rid of a lot already, so this is definitely pretty good. Now we're just gonna try and make it all work. So anyway, this is what we're gonna do now. More packing. But see why I needed you to do it? Because I just needed your input. What are we starting with?
All shorts.
So what are we starting with? Workout? Alright, so it's about less than an hour later and the floor is clear. Here's what we've got. So we've got socks and underwear and this drawer. We've got some shirts. Honestly, this is how I've organized all of our drawers, and I found that it really does make it easier when you can see everything, and I try to go by color somewhat. So more shirts for him, and then we have shorts. It's not perfect, like obviously you know, it's not perfect, but it's definitely better. And then he can literally see everything he has. This drawer's a little bit broken, but then we have pants. And that is it. Josh, you need to check it out. I want to know what you think about it. Okay, Josh is pretty sick, so give him some grace.
Oh, wow.
What do you think? He hasn't seen it. He hasn't seen it. He was just handing me the stuff.
Oh, shoot. This is a lot easier.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah. This is perfect. So are you putting my clothes away?
No.
Well, you know where everything goes now. Now you can't
I don't know how to fold the shirts the way you do, though.
I don't know how to organize your stuff. I don't know how you organize. You just organized it for me, so now you know. So
You like it?
Now I'm completely off the hook for long.
Does it look good, though?
It's perfect.
I don't know.
Hello, happy Sunday. I keep wanting to say Saturday, but it's not Saturday. I just got off the freeway. I'm in Orange County. I'm following my directions. It says I'm like 2 minutes away. But we're going to Coffee Dose, I think is what it's called. It is so cute. I've seen it on Instagram and TikTok, and my sister and my future sister-in-law have been here as well. And I'm actually meeting my best friend for lunch. I was just thinking about it. We've been friends since kindergarten, so 27 years, like what? Also, it's beautiful and sunny here in Orange County, and then of course at home and on the way here it was like raining and stuff. So I did my hair, but I put a hat on because I didn't want to get like all frizzy and stuff. So anyway, we're in Costa Mesa, I believe. Okay, it looks like I'm here. Is this the right spot? They have multiple locations. Coffee Dose. I'm a few minutes late. I had to take, in order to get to this part of Orange County from where I live, it was like 7 freeways. It's so crazy. It's like 2 freeways, 2 easy freeways that I know and that I take all the time. And then once I get down to like Orange County, it's like boom, boom, boom. You're all over the place. So I'm really excited, and I'll try and get some clips on my phone because I'm really excited to see this place. Where is it? Is it in here? I think it's in here. Okay, cool. Hopefully there's parking and stuff, but yay. Smile. All right, I am back in the area. I'm about to go pick up James. I am picking him up from my in-laws' house, which in 2 weeks will be our house. Actually, really this time next week, my in-laws are moving out. They're retiring and they're moving to Arizona. If you've missed my other vlogs, they are moving out and we are going to rent from them. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to be in this location. So I'm gonna go pick up James, but I just wanted to end off this vlog here. My week was just made. That was the best lunch. It was so nice to visit with my friend. Like, it's just, we've been friends for so long, and it just like literally like fills my cup. I was just saying, like, I wish I could bottle this up and save it for the bad days, because I just feel so happy, like just so happy. That just literally just made my week. So anyway, I'm just so grateful for her and just for like friends and family and loved ones. It's just so special. So that is gonna be it for this little weekend vlog. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna go pick up James. I have some things to do at home to get ready for the week, but that cafe was so cute. I drank a lot of coffee and I'm like a little jittery right now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, most likely next week for next week's Open. See you then.
You will always be the